Okay guys, so I went through all of the swatches of the matte summer lipstick collection, and I have to say that this is the first set of lipsticks or lip products, if you will, that I know I'm going to wear every single color. Like, she just literally blew it away with this. I love every single color. There was not one single color that I felt didn't look good on me. Maybe it didn't look good with my eye makeup, but in general, I just see myself wearing every single one of these with multiple different makeup looks. I'm just so impressed with the collection in general. The one I have on my lips, I love this. I'm gonna wear this every day. This is amazing. This is the shade Nova. It's just a really beautiful matte nude color. Universal for everything. It's not too pink, it's not too cool toned, it's not too warm, it's not too peachy. It's just perfect in my opinion for literally any makeup look. Then the shade Miami is just this really beautiful, I don't even know how to explain it, just this warm toned pink. So beautiful on the lips. I thought it complemented the eye makeup look that I have on perfectly. And then the shade Tangerine is really what made me want to buy this. I love bright orange lipsticks, lip products, just give them to me. I love it. I love it with a really like neutral, no makeup look kind of eye makeup, and then to have that really beautiful orange shade just pop, it's perfect. And then the shade, oh my gosh, the shade Vacay is this just beautiful cool toned pink color. I love that shade. I see myself, that's a really great summer to fall kind of transition-y shade because it's not like this bright pink. It's beautiful. It can go so many different looks. The final shade Boss was honestly impressed me a lot. I don't really have a favorite red lipstick, but personally I thought that red lipstick looked really, really good, and it felt really nice. It didn't feel like it was gonna move all over my lips throughout the day. I really, really liked it. So in general, I am impressed with this makeup collection. I believe it was $75 for the entire lipstick set, which I don't feel is bad considering I think they're about $17 per lipstick and I got 5. So I thought that wasn't a bad deal. How much of a deal is that? Let's do some math. So 17 times 5. So yeah, you're saving $10 if you want to get all of them when you purchase the entire collection. Otherwise you can get them as singles if you're not really digging all of them. But I personally think that these were amazing, and if you want to add some really cool fun colors to your collection but also have a couple really pretty nudes, this is definitely the way to go. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below because it would make me so happy for you to subscribe to my channel. And thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.